So hey guys, welcome to the average coder. Today we are going to solve another GFG problem. This is going to be the day 5 of our GFG series of scoring 100 points. And before solving this problem, here's a reminder for you. I have already uploaded all the solutions of Code Long Challenge 2, and as you can see, I have already uploaded 5 problems. And for a reminder that the last date of Code Long Challenge is 26th June, and I am also working on other solutions also. I will keep adding more and more problem here. And that's all. Okay, so come back to today's problem. Let me explain at first. So in this problem, we will just follow a very easy approach. At first, we will simply sort these two vectors. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so we have done. After that, we will simply iterate any of vector and keep checking with the other one. If any random case the value is not same with the value of the other vector, then we will return 0, and otherwise we will return 1. So let's do that. We iterate through vector A. So at first do one thing. So let's check it. There's a compilation error coming. Okay. I just forgot to give a start. Check it again. My output and expected output is absolutely same. So let's submit it. This is submitted successfully. So that's all for today, guys, and don't forget to access our GFG playlist we are completing 100 points on Geeks For Geeks, and the main motto of this challenge is just to motivate you to solve daily problems on GFG and achieve a landmark of 100 points. So that's all, guys. Bye.